What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to add a music bot to your Discord server. So what we want to do is go to our Discord, of course into our Discord server, and then we will create a new channel, a text channel for music requests, and we will create a new voice channel for the music to be played. So what we want to do next is basically go to Google, and there we will search for Moon Music Bot. So click on the first link of top.gg, and once you are there, click on it and go to this one. Now we would like to invite it to our Discord server. So what we need to do is click on invite, and if you do that, then you will get to this screen. Now select here the server you would like to add the bot to, and then click on continue. Once you have done that, leave this all check mark because that is necessary to play music in your Discord server. Once you have done this, authorize, and then we will continue to our app. As you can see, I have to accept this, so I will accept this, and now it is added. So I will go back to my server, and now I can show you guys how it works. So basically what we would like to do, as I told you, you need to create a text channel where you can do this requests. But it's very simple. If you do /, then you will see all the available commands to use this bot. Like there is a bass boost, you can change the volume, you can do everything with it. So that's very easy. And what you can do now is basically do /play, and then you can copy the link you would like to use. So I will go to YouTube now quickly, and then I will get a video link, copy it, and if I go now back to the Discord server, then I could do /play and then copy paste the YouTube link. And what it does now it starts playing. So basically I have muted it because it starts playing, but what you can do is basically use every YouTube video on YouTube and you can play it as music. You can also create playlists, so definitely check out all those commands to change everything. It's very useful, and get used to how it works, and then you will be mastering this within a couple of hours, of course. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!